So the joys of my car. Apparently, I bought spark plugs are not working in the car. Two of my cylinders weren't firing, 2 and number 5. And when you unplug the coil for number 2, the car doesn't change. So I went and put one of the original spark plugs in number 2, and it ran better. So today, I am now going in the process of returning all the spark plugs back from the ones I had originally. I don't know if I can get my money back or not. I think they're auto lights, $7.99 a piece. So that was a big waste of money right there. So hopefully the dealer gets my number 5 fixed. Hopefully I get the other cylinders fixed, because this car didn't act up this bad until I changed the spark plugs. So I wouldn't have thought that spark plugs matter, but apparently you can't go cheap for some reason. So as it turned out, I dropped about $500 in tires, and oh, and I put a new injector in too, which didn't resolve my problem. So interesting story. Saturday, went out to Dollar General and took the Bluesmobile over there. Now, mind you, I only got part of police taken off on both sides of the car. One side has pole, P-O-L, and the other side says lice, L-I-C-E. So anyways, I pulled in there, and the worker's looking at me, and he's looking at me more than usual when it looks like I get driving this thing around. So I go in there and do my business, getting some duct tape and whatever. Come around the corner, and here he's talking to a sheriff. I guess he had some sort of incident or whatever. So he goes ringing me out and said, sorry I gave you lost sense of hope there. And so I was talking to the sheriff and him and telling him that, yeah, my dealer sold everything on this car, even police. And I figured I can't drive the car around with police, so I shaved off the letters and, told him one side says pole, the other says lice. And the sheriff thought it was hysterically funny. Phone call.